Hey everybody, I'm going to show you how to do the quizzes that we have posted this week for practicing solving quadratics. One of the things it asks you to do is to graph a quadratic and find the solutions. So if you are having a problem like this, it says graph this quadratic, find the solutions, x squared plus 5x minus 9 equals 15. The first thing you have to do is get it into standard form. So let me switch over and show you how I do that. Okay, that was my equation. Remember, Mrs. Harrison has a video out there reminding you how to do this. I'm going to draw a line down my equal sign. I'm going to get this side to be 0. So I have to subtract 15 from both sides. 15 is a number with no x's, so I'm going to put it with the negative 9. 15 minus 15 is 0. That's what I wanted. This side, the x squared just comes down. The positive 5x just comes down. And negative 9 and negative 15 is negative 24. So my new equation that I want to graph is x squared plus 5x minus 24. Let's switch back. So I'm going to go into Desmos and I'm going to graph that. You can do that either in Desmos or you can do it in your graphing calculator. I'm going to type in my equation here. Y equals, it was x squared. Let me bring up my little keyboard here. X squared plus 5x minus 24. Okay, and I'm going to look for my solutions. I can hit enter and I can close my keyboard. Now remember, my solutions are where it crosses the x-axis. So here's one at x is negative 8, and here's one. Looks like it's right in between at 3, but I can double check it. Remember, in Desmos, I can click and drag, and it'll actually snap to things like intercepts. So 3, 0 is another solution. So when x is negative 8 and when x is 3, those are my two solutions. Let me go back to my quizzes and see if I have those. No real solutions, 3 and negative 8, 5 and negative 9, 8 and negative 3. My answer is 3 and negative 8. I hope this has been helpful. Thank you.